Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Tubi app on Android and watch anime for free. So the first thing you need to do is to download the Tubi app. So to do this, just open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Then from there, search for Tubi, free movies and live TV. Then tap on install to download and install the app. Now to set your app, after the installation process has completed, go ahead and open the Tubi app on your Android device. From there, you can start creating a free account to save your watch list and preferences, but do take note that this is not mandatory to start watching anime. Then, you can go ahead and find your anime by using the search bar in the app to look for anime titles. Tubi offers a variety of anime series and movies, including popular ones like Hunter x Hunter and Naruto. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.